Hi, everybody. It's Miss RaeAnn here to read the book again with better pictures. Don't Push the Button, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. I pushed it once. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ack! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Let's see if I can do this. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Almost. A little more. Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes.